Hey guys, it's Superscriptor and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a team change GUI in Roblox. So to start off, what I'm going to do is inside Started GUI, I'm going to insert a screen GUI, and inside of that screen GUI I'm going to insert a frame, and I'm going to click on the frame, and I'm going to change the size to 1, 0, 1, 0, so it takes up the whole screen. And we can make the background transparency to 1. So inside of that, we're gonna the frame. We're gonna insert a text button, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change. I'm gonna change the color first of all. So I'm gonna just make it gray. It's actually changed the text first, so I'm just gonna name it team text scaled, and let's go background color. I'm gonna make it a darker color. So there's our button, and I have a plugin which I'll link in the description for Roundify up here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on Roundify and just leave it. Don't change any of the settings and put Roundify, and you'll see the button is now rounded right here, but there is no text. So what we're gonna do is if you go down here to the image, it's a 1, that's the Zindex, and down here this index is 1 also, so we can just change that to 2 or 3 or anything that's higher than 1, which will round the GUI, which will make the text appear on the rounded GUI. So we're going to rename this to menu button. So menu button. And then we're also going to add in another 2 text buttons. And I'm going to rename this text button to team 1. So actually we got to rename this so there's no space, because in Lua it doesn't support spaces in names. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna resize this and make this a better size, and I'm gonna make the background color to red, and I'm gonna text is gonna be team 1, and we can text scaled. We can duplicate this and put it right next to it, change the text to team 2, go up, and we can change the background color to green. I'm just using these 2 colors because no one uses them. Most people use blue and red, or blue and orange for police colors or criminals. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert a script into the menu button, a local script. So we're gonna do script dot parent dot mouse button 1 click connect function, and then parentheses, and we can do script dot parent dot team script dot parent dot team 1 dot visible is equal to true, and then we can duplicate this, and then we can just go back here and change the team 1 to team 2, and we can make these 2 visible is equal to off. So now we could just let's turn visible on for the menu button, and for team 1 we can just make this visible. So when we join into the game, you just push team and the buttons appear, but they don't do anything yet. So next what we're gonna do is inside remote inside replicated storage, we're gonna insert a remote event, and I'm gonna rename this event to change team. And inside of the screen GUI, we're gonna add in a local script, and the script we're gonna put local RM for or RE for remote event is equal to game dot replicated storage dot change team. Change team, and then we're gonna do local menu button, and next line we're gonna do local frame is equal to script dot parent wait for child, and we're gonna do frame in quotation marks. So frame, and the reason we could just put a dot frame, but we're doing wait for child so it loads correctly. And we're gonna do, but before we go on, we gotta go to home, or we gotta go to model, and over here you'll see service at the top right, and I can see this, but I don't believe you can see it. So it'll appear insert service, and there's replicated script service or teams. So I'm just gonna click on teams. Now down here we have teams, and we're gonna make two teams. So I'm gonna insert a team, and the first team name is gonna be team 1, and the team color is gonna be red. Then I'm gonna add in another team, and I'm gonna name this team 2. It's actually get rid of the spaces between those two. And before I go there, I'm gonna change this color to lime green. So lime green and really red are the two colors. So now we can go back into our local script, and we can do local team 1 is equal to, or local team 1 color is equal to, so we're gonna do really red, I think was the color, really red. And then we're gonna do local team 2 color is equal to lime green. So lime green. So those are our two team colors. And we're gonna do frame dot team 1. So the frame dot team 1. Let's just make sure those buttons are right. Frame dot team 1. So team 1 dot mouse button 1 click. So mouse button 1 click is going to be connect function. You can put that, and we're going to do remote, our RE is going to be fire server, and brick, we're going to do brick color dot new. So brick color dot new, and inside those parentheses we're gonna do team 1 color, team 1 color. So let's get the C there, and that's gonna be that one. And now what we could do is we can Control C and Control V, and we can just change the team, so team 2, team 2, and team 2 color. So I had totally forgotten about this other script, and this is just going to handle the remote event. And whenever you're using a remote event, you'll need a separate script to handle the remote event. So this is the script: game.replicatedStorage.team.onServerEvent connect function player, team color. And you're going to want to spell team color a different way, because on the next line it's going to be player.team color. So right here it's spelled correctly instead of how we actually spelled it in the function. So you're going to want to change at least one letter and so after that we're going to put player.loadCharacter. So now if we play the game, you can see that we can click this, and we can click either team 1 or team 2, and we switch to team 2, and the GUI disappears because our character had died. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to join the Discord server for a Roblox giveaway, and I'll see you guys next time.